Good evening friends, welcome to Layman Techs. So today we are going to unbox a huge box. You can see right in front of me. This will be our second unboxing video. So let's see what's available here. So you can see that the branding is mentioned here, LG ultra wide monitor. The model number is 34WK500. It is an 87 centimeters, which is 34 inches ultra wide monitor. What else do we have to see in the specs area? So in the box it has mentioned the same LG branding. It says IPS display. It is a 1080p display. It also has a screen split option. So over here there is a huge label which is mentioned the model number 34WK500 video monitor, and the input wattage is 35 watts. Here the MRP is mentioned is around 50,000. What else we have? Okay, nothing much. It is made in China. You have all the LG support websites over here. In the sides, not much is the same. So let's go forward with the unboxing. Guys, as I told you that this monitor is being purchased for our own purpose. I told you in the box it is mentioned as the MRP as 50,000, where we bought it for around 34K. This particular product we bought it from Computer Elements. It's an outlet, it's a shop where it is located in Chennai in Ritchie Street. So I'll give you the link below in the description. I'll give you the address, the contact person's name. The person name is Mr. Deepan. He's a very good guy. He gives you the best of the products in the market available at a very reasonable price, as well as you can see he understands what the buyer wants, and he gives you only that particular product, not more than that. He doesn't want to sell a superior product where he gets more margin also. He gives what the customer needs. So he will be a best buyer for you. So I'll give you the link below in the description, where you can have his address, contact number to have a contact of him. Okay, so now let's see what's inside the box. It's a very good packing, very hard box where nothing happens to the display. Hopefully I'm opening it correctly because it is mentioned here open here, so it must be the place where I should open. So I'm placing it correctly. Here you can see how the assembly is happening in this box. They have mentioned this as 1 and 2, maybe the steps to be undergone. And here, okay, it's good. They have the tilting base also in this stand. Hopefully we will also understand when we are doing the assembly. Okay, what else we have in the box? We have a stand base. This must be the connector from the monitor, which is in the back. This is an adapter. Let's see what spec the adapter has. This is a 50 to 60 Hertz adapter, which we see here. It's a very simple one. It does not have an additional box which is hanging around, so it seems to be very simple and clean. Good that LG has given a dedicated HDMI cable. I was wondering whether they'll give this, so this is also good. I'll keep this aside. They also, man, LG, I think they forgot their case or cover for this CD, and I don't know, really I don't understand why this is for. Fine. They have a warranty card, some basic informations on maybe how to handle this. Yes, they have a complete instruction of how to assembly and how to fix the product. This is very peculiar. They have given a handling guide where it is inside the box how to handle before the box is open, so that we can see it inside the box. Very clean and neat. They have this sheet covered for the display. Guys, this is a huge display. I didn't think that it will be so big, and it's heavy. Let me show you how big is this. Let me do some gymnastics of keeping the box away, and just place it on the table. Let's open it up to see how the display is. Wow guys, you can see the display. Good. Let me keep away all this. I need to handle it very carefully. Guys, you can see the display, it's standing up, okay, but it's not in the stand. Please don't do this. This I'm keeping it because you people watching this channel will see how big this monitor is and how good it is. They have given a very matte finished display. It's an IPS display what they have given, so it really looks very clean. Mostly guys, you would have seen that whoever is using monitors at home, basically we all would have gone through all these issues. When we are operating or we are gaming, maybe if somebody is walking behind, they can see the reflection on the screen. That will be a disturbance when you are doing your gamings or when you are doing editing works, something like that. So this matte finish, that doesn't allow you to show that reflection. So it's really good. Okay, let's see what's behind the screen. This is really exciting, guys. This is really exciting because when I'm opening this, it'll really give you the best of the sounds in the world. New product. Wow. Guys, they have given a very neat piano finish back covering for your ports and for the wall mount area. So you can see here, and here they are given certain informations on the model number. It says the time when it has been manufactured. It is in 2019 December. Let's try to assemble it. Hopefully we'll find some tools to get it done. Before getting into the assembly, we'll see what all we have here. We have HDMI 1 and an HDMI 2. So they are given two HDMI's ports, and there is an HP output, that is for your headset, where you can listen to your songs, because this monitor does not have speaker. Guys, you have to understand, this is not going to give you the benefit of having the sound output only through your headphones, because if you are a gamer you need to have your headsets on, and if you are a video content developer, then also you require a headset. Then only you will be able to listen to your musics or sounds, because it does not have inbuilt speakers here. There is only heat vents in the bottom and a DC in for the power cable, just to fix it in. So you have the power cable in. It also shows it is 19 volts. So we'll go for the assembly. Guys, you should see this. Actually, I have removed these screws, and I thought that this will be required to put it in. So, but it is not having so, because they just have a, if you can see, there is a knob which is here. If you press it, you can remove this off. It's very simple. It's easy installation. See, the knob is here. You just have to pull it down to remove it. To put it on, just push it back. That's it. It's done. Now we'll go for the base. I thought this is a plastic one, but they were given in very good brushed aluminum finish. It has to go right inside. Before going in, I need to screw it properly, where it will be very tight and firm. You just have a screw in the bottom, so that's it, it's done. It's really very sturdy and strong. Now guys, can you see the whole display? Wow, this is really good. Let me do something for you. Let me try to connect this monitor with my laptop, and let's have it a go. Hopefully guys, you can see the monitor as it is now. In default, it is not in wide mode. Let me see the settings. Hopefully you can see the full wide screen. Yes, so this is, my laptop is an half HD display. It has a half HD display, 720p. But while connecting this monitor, it has shown the display resolution as 180p. As you can see, why we have selected this particular monitor is for the YouTube video rendering purpose, for the content creations, and why we have gone for Full HD and not 4K is for our budget purpose. So at 34K, I don't think you will get a much better display than this. It's really slim, nice. It is having a very thin bezels down running in the sides, and neat piano finish of the back casing of the ports and all. The later part, we will be giving a review of this particular product, how far it is helping us in content creation as well as for gaming also. Thank you so much. Please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon. Click the thumbs up icon and share the video if you like our content. Throw in your questions and suggestions as comments, which we will answer for sure.